I'm all about saving money and not spending too much, but this video is a little different. This is a video about when it's okay to spend money, in my opinion. What's up? This is Stacey. Welcome back to my channel. I make videos about making money, saving money, investing, real estate investing, and credit cards. So if these are items that you're interested in, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell. Although this video is a little bit different. I'm going to give you 10 instances where, in my opinion, it is okay and even necessary to spend money. I'm going to be giving you a lot of details, so watch this to the end. I think you're going to be getting a lot of value out of this. Number 1, charity and helping others. One of the benefits of being successful and making money is to be able to help those less fortunate. Often someone is just struck on hard times, or because of the economy, or different life situations, they're in a position that's not that great in life. It's always good to help others when you can. And if you're a person that needs help, it's okay to accept help. I feel very fortunate and actually very lucky in these times that I've been okay financially, and I've been able to use my finances to help other people. Charity can be given in many ways, and you want to find a cause that is important to you. If you don't have a lot of money, you can also use your time to help others. There are many people that are homeless, hungry, don't have access to water or clothes, and you can help in many ways. Number 2, this is very specific to right now, and I actually stole this from a neighbor, and I invite you to steal it from me. And it was a basket of goodies for delivery people. So a little basket with some food and some water and a little thank you note that we appreciate them goes a long way. I was walking my dog Blake, walked to my neighbor's house, and I saw this. The first thing I thought of was, why didn't I think of it? And then I knocked on the door to find out how they came up with it. And apparently it was Sarah's idea. So tell us what made you think of this?
I had seen a couple of people that I follow on Instagram had put this up. And I just thought it was such a good idea because this year, I, like most people, are doing all of my holiday shopping online. So I'm getting way more deliveries than normal. And I've heard some of these delivery people are not even taking breaks for lunch, or it's 4 o'clock and they still haven't had their lunch break. And I figured, they need a little, they need a little pick-me-up, a little snack, a little treat, because they're working extra. They work hard every day, but they're working extra hard this year.
Number 3, tips for service people. If you're out at a restaurant and you get good service, give an extra tip. If somebody provides you an excellent service, it's okay to tip them extra. People work very hard, and a lot of people take pride in what they do. A lot of them don't make a lot of money, but they do make their money on tips. If you're in a situation to give a few extra bucks, just be generous with your tip. Number 4, if this applies to you, spend your money on good lawyers, accountants, and realtors. As a real estate investor, I work with lawyers, accountants, and realtors. Having top people in the field makes the transactions go smooth. Sometimes you're going to pay a little bit more, but it's really going to pay off in the end. If you have a business or you invest and you need to hire professionals, make sure that you spend the money and hire competent people to work with you. Number 5, bonuses for people that work for you, work with you, or make your life easier. If you have employees, or if you have people that help you out in your house, such as a gardener or a cleaning person, or anyone else that helps you occasionally, and they do a great job, especially if they're not making a lot of money, be generous with your bonuses. These people work very hard and they're often underappreciated. Number 6, this next one took me quite a while to figure out, but sometimes it's just not a good idea to bargain a price. I'm going to give you an example. If you have a handyman come to your house and they charge $25 an hour or even $30 an hour, and they're at your house for 2 hours and install a toilet, a garbage disposal, and fix an electrical outlet, they turn around and tell you it's $50. When they tell you it's $50, give them 60 or 70 or even 100. A lot of times if somebody is working for you, they're not charging enough. And instead of bargaining and trying to get the lowest price, throw them a few extra bucks. They really deserve it. Number 7. The next one's kind of a broad category, but I think it's so important. Spend money on your health. This is going to encompass quite a few items, and I think they're so important. You're going to want to spend money on healthy food. When you buy your fruits and vegetables, when you can, buy organic. When you're buying packaged food, read the labels and buy foods that have less ingredients that you don't understand. Spending a little more money on healthy food will actually save you money in the long run. You'll be living a healthier, happier life, spend less money on medical bills, and you'll have more time and energy to devote to the things that are important to you. Spending money on your health also includes exercise. We all know exercise is very important. The best exercise you can do is one that you love, enjoy, and can stick to. And then when you find that exercise, make sure that you have the proper equipment. If you're a runner, spend money for running shoes. If you play tennis, make sure you have the proper equipment or whatever sport or exercise you're in. If you lift weights, make sure you join a gym that has the proper weights, or if you make yourself a home gym, spend a few bucks and get what you need. A lot of these items can be found used. I hike, and getting proper fitting hiking boots with a nice grip at the bottom makes all the difference in the world. Comment below, let me know what type of exercise you like to do and what you found is important for your exercises and health. Another item that's important to your health is proper and comfortable sleep. So spend money on a good bed or a good mattress. Number 8. The next item you want to spend money on is your hobby. This is going to be different for everyone. It's important to have an outlet and have a hobby or some hobbies. You definitely want to have the proper equipment or training or whatever you need for your hobby. Sometimes that'll just include a few dollars in equipment. Sometimes it'll include a course or a class. But whatever it is, make sure that you're able to enjoy yourself and have that part of your life. It's important to have fun and have hobbies. Number 9, tools or equipment for your business. If you're self-employed or have a business, make sure you have proper tools. If you're a tradesman like a handyman, electrician, plumber, you definitely want proper tools. This is going to vary for every business. It could be computer equipment, it could be vehicles, it could be all kinds of things. If you're just starting out and you're building it up, you may want to save the money and just keep in mind that you're going to need to spend a little more at some point. Number 10 is education. And I'm not talking about $150,000 for college. I'm talking about a book, a course, talking to somebody. Sometimes education can just be your time. It's not necessarily money. If there's something that you're interested in, whether it's to make money, a hobby, anything at all, you can always read a book. People that write books spend years or their life learning something and put it all in a book. And the nice thing is you don't even have to pay for it because there's the library. You can find out so much information on YouTube for free and just on the internet. Always learning about something that you're interested in or know nothing about is such a fun way to live, and it stimulates your mind. So these are my 10 tips where you want to spend money. They may not all apply to you, and there might be some that I've forgotten. So thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment below. Let me know which one you like or dislike or what your opinions are. So be well, be happy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.